So today we're going to go ahead and top off our coolant with the Dexcool Orange, because yesterday or the other day in my last video you saw I changed out the radiator, sorry, not the radiator, the heater core, and I used a whole gallon to fill it up and purge it, and then we don't have nothing in our reservoir, so we're going to go ahead and fill this up. And then I got something else that is very needed when you're doing something like this that most people don't fix until it's too late or starts leaking. So let's go ahead. It has some coolant in there, but look at this, and this will be part of the final touch. Let's put some of this in there and then run it and fill up that as well, so that this truck will be perfect and better. So the truck, trying to do this in one shot, so that the truck will be running well and have enough coolant in the system. So let's go ahead and fill this up. And this is just to top it off. We've already purged our system. Okay, topped off there. You can see that it's topped off. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on and get it warm enough, and then whatever flows over into the reservoir, we're gonna fill up that as well. Once this get hot, or what we could do already is go ahead and fill this to the cold mark, and then obviously if it overflows from here, then it'll indicate hot up here, so it should be fine. Let's go ahead and fill this part up too. There you go. Spilled a little bit. It's okay. As you can see, we got it at the cold mark. So even if we overfilled the radiator, it'll come up to warm or to the hot mark anyway. So dropped a little bit, so we're gonna fill it up more. So when the truck gets hot, or the motor gets hot, this will automatically go into the reservoir, which it's already doing, filling up the reservoir. So we're gonna let it run, and then I'm gonna finish off this video with something that has to do with this. Add a little bit more. I think we had some bubbles. I think now that the thermostat completely opened, I'm squeezing the hose by the thermostat. Be careful, watch your eyes. Oops. Looks like we're better off. Should go. I didn't want it to be too full because we got to put our cover in. If I do that, it's going to spill. I guess we should turn it back on. We're pretty good. That got to right below hot, and this is pretty good. And then let's get rid of this. We don't need this anymore. Let's go get something else. This one right here. ACDelco. OEM cap. Look at the seals. It's important to replace these too. You know, whatever it costs, $10, $20, whatever it is. This eventually will start leaking and, you know, have issues. Look at that. brand new seals. Line vent. Brand new. Good to go. So now this is gonna push all the pressure now into the reservoir. If tomorrow or when we drive it and it's in cold and we notice that we have to keep refilling this up, if we have to keep refilling that reservoir up, that means we might have a leak somewhere else, and it's not a heater core. It might be, I don't know, I think the heads or something like that. I'm not really familiar or expert mechanic or any kind of mechanic, but we might have an issue somewhere else. But let's hope not. Took care of the heater core in the last video. This time we filled up and topped off our coolant and added the new ACDelco radiator cap. So yeah, if you're interested in that cap, I'll put that information and the coolant on the description below. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.